babes, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. In today's video, as you guys can read from the title, we are going to try out five different hair bun tutorials that are very easy and very quick. Some of them I do quite often and I've just really gotten a hang of it, and some I don't really do often, but I really want to try it now when I have long hair. Today we actually have a collaboration with a brand that I am so excited about. It is a brand called Budgie. It is completely brand new. It is a Swedish brand. It is 100% cruelty free and 100% vegan, which is so good. But I have been trying out the hydrating shampoo and conditioner and I really like it. I've also tried out the moisture boost, like a deep conditioner, which, by the way, if you guys get this, it's pink. There you go. Yeah, it's pink, but it doesn't make your hair pink, so don't you worry. I do already have a favorite for the hair washing routine, and I've been trying out a bunch of these stuff, and first off, I was so scared of them, but this one is called the apple cider scrub for a healthy head of hair. This product is for your scalp and it's like a body scrub, but instead of shampoo you use this once a week. I pretty much only wash my hair once a week, so I really like a product like this that deep cleanses. If you guys have not tried it, don't be scared of it. Try it. I absolutely love it. So I've actually just washed my hair. It was a while ago, obviously, because I have done my makeup and just let it air dry, but it is still quite wet. So before we are going to completely dry our hair, we are going to try out the all-in-one mist from Budgie. So this is a mist that helps with the heat, helps with the styling, just all over mist pretty much. So I'm just going to put that all over my hair. And now with my blow dryer, I'm just going to dry my hair as usual. Now with my extensions, I rarely blow dry my hair upside down, so I just sit like this and blow dry our hair. So let's go. Okay, my hair is kinda, I would say 99% dry, and before we make it 100% dry, I am going to go in with the sea salt mist for breezy beach wave. And like down to there. Okay, now my hair is fully dried and super voluminous, and now is the first time after washing my hair that I actually go through it with either a comb or a tangle teaser or something like that. And this is probably my favorite thing from Budgie. I'm just kidding, but I love the look of this. It looks like a doll comb, and I feel like a doll combing through my hair with this. Why I don't brush through my hair when it is wet is because it is not good for your hair and I'm really scared that it will fall off. So I'm trying to take care of it as best as I can. To get some life into these buns and hairstyles, we are going to very messily curl our hair. This is my favorite curling one. It is from Numi. I've had it for like 5 years. So I'm just going to messily start curling my hair, and I'm both going to curl it towards my face and in the opposite direction. Whatever that's called. Okay, we are done, and now we are going to take our huge comb and we are going to brush all of this out, so it shouldn't really be perfect curls or anything like that. And I know that most of you guys think that it was weird that I curled my bangs inwards, but I think that it can look kind of cute sometimes. Okay, And now finally for some hair oil that I desperately need. This is the Twin Flower Oil for a first class treat. This one I have already been using a lot, and I really like it. It's like a medium thick oil, so for people that really need to tame frizz or just damaged hair, then this is great. Now when you guys can see more of the top of my head, we're going to start off with the first hairstyle, and that is a messy bun. That is so easy. First off, I'm just going to put my head upside down and I'm gonna kind of put it up in a ponytail. You guys will see. Okay, like that. And I'm going to try and hide my extensions the best that I can. I have some very far in this time around, which I don't love. Okay, but like that is a perfect place. We are going to take our super tiny elastic and I'm going to pull it like this, like that, so I don't pull it straight through. I let it sit like that. And now I can pull out some bits and pieces, although I only pull out on the sides. You can pull out some bits and pieces right here. And now we're going to take this part and just put it around it. The messier you do this, the cuter it looks. And I go in with some bobby pins. I only have black or silver ones, but I mean, it works. Alright, so hairstyle number 1 is done, and it is so cute and simple, and I really like it. Second hairstyle is a space bun, and I have done this before, but I think that I've gotten very much more good at it. Can you say that? We are first going to part our hair in two. Take this part of the hair, put it up like that. Take one of these hair ties that I use for everything, and I take the ponytail very far back and not too high. And once again, with the messy bun, I hold it like that. And now I'm just gonna take the hair and pull it around, play with it a little bit. And then I go in with bobby pins. And now you can pull out some bits and pieces. There we go, the space buns that are kind of hard to do, now done. Super simple. If you do this and have curly or just voluminous hair, I'm sure that you will not have a problem with this, and I'm so excited about it because I actually love having space buns. I think it's really cute. Okay, I just brushed through my long hair a little bit, and now it is time for the third hairstyle, and this is kind of what we did the first time, but it will look different. What I do, I take my hair like from here, kind of eyebrow, where the eyebrows ends, kind of, and push up like that. Take one of these elastics again, okay, like that. You can obviously just have it like this, it's cute as well, but I am going to piece this a little bit, part it in two, and I'm going to twist these. It's a great way to create more volume when you don't have that much hair. And now like this, I just wrap this around, and now with some bobby pins I just pin it down as with the other hairstyles like this, and you can pull it a little bit to make it more messy, but I think it looks really cute. It looks like a little cinnamon bun. The third hairstyle is done, and I think it looks so cute. Also, I just want to say that the first part of this video is so necessary if you want to make these hairstyles super easy to do. If not, you will probably struggle. It's time for the fourth hairstyle, and we are going to start with the long hair. You know what? I would not recommend to do this. Maybe it's much easier if your hair isn't curly. Okay, we have come to the end and to the 5th hairstyle, and probably the hairstyle that I will have today. It is Valentine's Day and I'm going out after this. I go from my ear all the way up to the middle. Not the middle, the real top of my head. Clear elastic, and I'm going to make the exact same thing but with this hairstyle instead of the space buns. And here we are having a much smaller bun, okay, like that. I'm just gonna tease the end of the hair over here, and now I'm just gonna wrap it around. Some bobby pins. I'm just gonna tease the hair underneath the buns a little bit. And then lastly, to finish off this hairstyle that I will be wearing after this, I am going to top it off with my second favorite product from Budgie. It is the Sparkling Shimmer Mist. Oh, sorry. For dazzling nights. Can you see? It looks like this when you shake it. It is so cute and it makes your hair look super cute and shimmery. So I'm just gonna shake it up and put it in my hair. Alright, so that is the end of this video. I just want to give a huge thanks to Budgie for collaborating with me in this video. It is so affordable, cruelty-free, 100% vegan, as I said. I would totally recommend you guys to check them out. I will of course have the links down below, and I will also put some little mini hairstyle videos on my Instagram, so be sure to check that out as well. And yeah, that is it. Now I'm gonna go and head out and buy some burgers, vegan burgers obviously, with my boyfriend, and then afterwards we are going to a event. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Check out Budgie, and that is it for me. Have a great day, and we will see each other hopefully in my next video.